In this episode of Did You Know, we're going to look at how you can automatically create data source environment variables when you connect to a SharePoint library. We're going to come into our app and go to Settings. This is a new Canvas app, and we're going to go all the way to the bottom, and you're going to see that there is a new option that's in here, automatically create environment variables when adding data sources. So this sets up the data sources for environment variables. So we can now come over to data sources. We're going to add a new data source. We're going to go to connectors. We're going to choose SharePoint. We'll give it a URL to a site. We'll connect. We'll go ahead and add my videos as what we're connecting to. And now we'll be prompted to create an environment variable for that site. And the idea here is that we can then later, when this is moved to another environment, simply change the environment variable to change where our application is connected to. We'll go ahead and click Save. And that's now been added to our solution. And you'll see we get a little message in here. One or more environment variables has been created. We can click here to manage them. And you'll see that that's now created in our solution and will be able to be configured. There's one for the list itself and one for the SharePoint site. And that's how easy it is to turn on automatic creation of data source environment variables.